In the heart of the desert sands lie secrets buried for millennia. The pyramids, ancient wonders of the world, whisper tales of mystery and intrigue. These monumental structures, nestled on the Giza Plateau just outside Cairo, Egypt, serve as silent sentinels of an era long past. Built during the reign of the pharaohs in the Old and Middle Kingdom periods, they stand as grand epitaphs to the might of these ancient rulers. Carved from limestone and granite, these architectural marvels were meticulously constructed to serve as the final resting places for the pharaohs, their consorts, and their esteemed officials. The pyramids, designed to protect the sacred mummies and to guide the departed souls on their journey to the afterlife, are much more than just tombs. They are a testament to the advanced knowledge and skill of their constructors. But beneath the colossal stones lie secrets yet to be unraveled. Hidden within the pyramids are chambers that have puzzled archaeologists and historians alike. One of the most intriguing enigmas is found within the Great Pyramid of Giza, an architectural marvel that has stood the test of time. Within its colossal structure, two significant chambers were discovered: the Queen's Chamber and the King's Chamber. The Queen's Chamber is a fascinating mystery. Located at the heart of the pyramid, this chamber was initially thought to be the final resting place of a queen. However, no mummy or funerary items were ever discovered there. Instead, the chamber is home to two narrow, unexplained shafts. These shafts don't lead to the exterior of the pyramid, but instead they disappear into the core of the structure, their purpose still unknown. The King's Chamber, on the other hand, is a grand room situated higher within the pyramid. This chamber houses a magnificent granite sarcophagus, believed to be the tomb of the pharaoh Khufu. Like the Queen's Chamber, the King's Chamber also boasts two mysterious shafts. These, unlike those in the Queen's Chamber, extend to the exterior of the pyramid. But why? What was their purpose? Were they intended for ventilation, or do they hold a deeper, symbolic meaning? The answers to these questions continue to elude us. The study of these chambers is ongoing, with new technologies such as muon tomography and microgravimetry being employed in the hopes of uncovering their secrets. These technologies allow archaeologists to peek into the pyramid without physically disturbing it, providing a non-invasive way to explore these ancient wonders. The Queen's Chamber and the King's Chamber are indeed captivating, their mysteries fueling our curiosity and deepening our respect for the ancient Egyptians. But let's not forget, these chambers are just the tip of the iceberg. The pyramids hold deeper secrets within their core, awaiting the day they are finally revealed to the world. Did you know? The pyramids are not randomly placed. Their positioning holds a celestial secret. In the heart of ancient Egypt, the pyramids of Giza stand tall, their significance reaching far beyond their earthly presence. Their alignment, it seems, is intertwined with the cosmos, pointing towards a celestial mystery waiting to be unraveled. Enter the Orion correlation theory. This theory, put forth by Robert Bovell, proposes a fascinating correlation between the pyramids and the stars, specifically the three pyramids of Giza: the Great Pyramid of Khufu, the Pyramid of Khafra, and the Pyramid of Menkaure, align with the stars in Orion's belt. Now you might ask, why Orion? Well, Orion was no ordinary constellation to the ancient Egyptians. Known to them as Sa, Orion was associated with Osiris, the god of the afterlife, rebirth, and the underworld. The alignment of the pyramids with Orion's belt, therefore, is not a mere coincidence, but a reflection of ancient Egyptians' beliefs about death and the afterlife. This celestial alignment, however, is not just about the present position of the stars, it's about the position of these stars as they were in the year 2460 BC, around the time when these pyramids were built. That's right, the pyramids serve as a terrestrial map of the heavens from over 4,000 years ago. Furthermore, there's another astronomical alignment at play. The sides of the Great Pyramid are aligned to the four cardinal points: north, south, east, and west, with an accuracy of up to 0.05 degrees. This precision is astonishing, given the tools and knowledge available at the time. So the pyramids are not just architectural marvels. They are a testament to the ancient Egyptians' understanding of the cosmos, their cultural beliefs, and their remarkable precision. They connected the terrestrial to the celestial, seeking guidance from the stars in life and perhaps finding solace in the same stars after death. The stars guided the ancients in life, and it seems even in death. But the mysteries of the pyramids go beyond the terrestrial and the celestial. Nested within the pyramids is a code so complex it baffles the minds of the greatest scholars. In the heart of Saqqara, the Pyramid of Una stands, a silent sentinel of the past. Within its confines, one can find the oldest known religious texts in the world, the Pyramid texts. These ancient inscriptions are a cryptic puzzle that scholars across the globe have been trying to decipher for centuries. The pyramid texts are not mere hieroglyphs. They are the echoes of a civilization long gone, an intimate peek into the religious and cultural beliefs of ancient Egyptians. They are a testament to the Egyptians' deep-seated belief in the afterlife, a belief so strong that they inscribed their hopes and fears, their prayers and rituals, their gods and goddesses, right into the very stones of the pyramids. Each glyph, each symbol, each word is a piece of a larger puzzle, forming a complex matrix of religious and cultural narratives. They speak of the pharaoh's journey to the afterlife, of the rituals performed to ensure his safe passage, of the gods who would guide him along the way. They speak of a civilization's quest for immortality, of their desire to transcend the mortal realm and join the gods in the heavens. Yet despite the best efforts of scholars, much of the pyramid texts remain a mystery. The language is old, the symbols are complex, and the cultural context is often elusive. But every now and then a piece of the puzzle falls into place, shedding light on a culture and a civilization that continues to captivate us. The pyramid texts are a testament to the intellectual prowess of the ancient Egyptians. They are a reminder of a civilization that looked to the stars for guidance, that built monumental structures that have withstood the test of time, and that dared to dream of immortality. The pyramids, thus, are not mere stone structures. They are a testament to a civilization's quest for immortality. So, we journeyed through the chambers, gazed at the stars, and decoded ancient texts, all in a bid to understand the pyramids. We ventured into the heart of these ancient monuments, exploring the secret chambers hidden deep within their stone bodies. These chambers, once silent and undisturbed, whispered tales of a civilization long past. We then turned our gaze skyward, marveling at the celestial alignment of the pyramids, a cosmic connection that continues to perplex and fascinate us, suggesting that those who built these structures had a profound understanding of the stars. Finally, we delved into the cryptic world of pyramid texts, intricate hieroglyphs etched into the stone, offering us glimpses of ancient beliefs, rituals, and perhaps even clues to the purpose of these monumental structures. The pyramids continue to stand tall, guarding their secrets and reminding us of a civilization that once was. Until the sands of time reveal more, we can only marvel at these ancient wonders and ponder the mysteries they hold.